Tired of juggling multiple platforms to track your advertising performance? Today, we're diving into how to seamlessly integrate Google Ads with Google Tag Manager for streamlined campaign management. First, log into your Google Tag Manager account and navigate to your container. Click on Tags in the left-hand menu. From there, we'll create a new tag by clicking the New button. Now, we need to configure the tag. Click on Tag Configuration to start. You'll be presented with a selection of tag types. Choose Google Ads. You should see various options like Google Ads Conversion Tracking and Google Ads Remarketing. Suppose you want to implement conversion tracking, select the Google Ads Conversion Tracking option from the Tag Configuration menu. Now switch over to your Google Ads account, locate, and copy your conversion ID and conversion label. This data is crucial. Return to Google Tag Manager and paste these IDs into the corresponding fields in the tag configuration. Then, set your trigger. This is the specific action you want to track, like a purchase or form submission. Click on Triggering, then select the trigger that corresponds to the conversion event. This trigger will fire the tag when the desired action occurs on your website. Review the tag for accuracy. Finally, submit the changes. By integrating your Google Ads account with Google Tag Manager, you'll be able to monitor and manage your various advertising performance from one central location, simplifying your analytics tracking.